Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 11 transitive and intransitive verbs. Okay, so here if you have not watched how to identify the transitive and also intransitive subject complement object complement, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here let's get started. So read these sentences. Can you spot the difference between the two? Jayant gave Rahman sleeps soundly. Okay, so you know here the first sentence. Jayant gave what? So this sentence remains incomplete. Rahman sleeps soundly. Okay, so this sentence makes a complete sense. So both the sentence have a verb and a subject, but the first sentence does not make a complete sense, while the second sentence does. Okay, so here identify the verbs in each sentence and write if they are transitive or intransitive. So here Kriti is playing the harmonium. So you know here the harmonium is object. Okay, that's why here is playing. You know this is transitive verb. Everyone laughed loudly at his jokes. So you know here laughed is intransitive verb. Okay, not transitive verb, because you know here his jokes, it is not the direct object. Okay, so it is the object of the preposition at. Clear? Object of the preposition at his jokes. This is not a direct object. Everyone laughed. Okay, so here you know, so after this verb no word is required to make it complete sentence. So here this makes a remain complete sentence. Just another example, the lion roared. Okay, the lion roared. So you know roared, you know this is intransitive verb. Okay, so there is no word need to use after road. So like the lion, okay, the lion roared at the monkeys. Okay, at the monkeys. But here there is no need to use at the monkey, because this makes a complete. The lion roared. Okay, the lion roared at the monkey. So you know this may be object, but here you know this is the object of the preposition. Okay, so here laughed will be intransitive verb. The next is the batsman hit the ball hard. So you know here hit, this is transitive verb because there is an object ball. Okay, then next we went to the bazaar for shopping. This is intransitive verb, went. Okay, then next the first bell rings at 7 a.m. So here rings, this is intransitive verb. We played basketball. So you know here played is a transitive verb because there is an object basketball. We have dinner. Okay, so you know have is a transitive verb. So you know here have is used as like, okay, we take our dinner. We take dinner. Okay, at 9. So here have is used like, okay, like take. We take dinner. That's why here have will be transitive verb. Just taste this delicious cake. So here taste is a transitive verb. Okay, because there is an object delicious cake. Okay, object. Clear? Then next here underline the verbs in the sentences and identify them as a transitive or intransitive. Then circle the objects of the transitive verb. So here the security guard opened the door. So you know here opened is a transitive verb because there is an object the door. Okay, the door you know. Okay, the door you know direct object. Then next there is a very little light in this lamp. So you know this is also transitive. And there is an object you know light. Nawaz chose Simran as his partner for the science experiment. So you know here chose is transitive verb and object you know Simran. Then next my mother has prepared pasta today. So you know has prepared, this is transitive verb and object you know pasta. The lilies in Mrs. Leslie's garden look beautiful. Okay, so you know this is intransitive verb. Okay, intransitive. I. We had never driven that far. Do you know here this is also intransitive. Hard. Okay, hard is intransitive verb. We are moving to Manchester next month. Okay, we are moving. So you know this is intransitive verb. Then next this year we will paint our house. So you know we will paint transitive verb because there is an object our house. Okay, house. That's why. So here we will paint will transitive verb. We will participate in the kite festival this year. So we will participate. You know this is intransitive verb. The thief ran through the crowded street. Okay, so you know ran is intransitive verb. Was Shirley absent yesterday? This is also intransitive verb. Was. Will you attend the annual function? So you know will is transitive verb because there is an object annual function. Okay, transitive. Clear? Then next here, circle the verbs in the sentences, then pick out the complements and identify them as subject complements or object complement. The quiz master was funny. Okay, so you know here was is a linking verb. Okay, then funny is subject complement. Okay, so here funny tells more about the quiz master. That's why here funny will be okay subject complement. Clear? SC. Then next, the farmers looked tired. So you know here looked is a verb. Okay, and tired you know this is subject complement, and looked you know intransitive verb. Then next, the principal selected Rajnish to be the school captain. You know, so here selected is transitive verb, and Rajnish you know here Rajnish is object. Okay, to be the school captain. So here you know school captain is object complement. Okay, that tell more about Rajnish. So here school captain you know object complement OBC. Okay, then next, people should be kind towards animals. So you know here should be is a verb and kind you know complement. Okay, subject complement. Who should be kind and the people should be kind. So here kind is subject complement. Clear? Then next here, we should respect our elders. So you know here respect is okay, respect is a transitive verb and our elder you know object. Okay, then next, the class performed well in their examination. So you know here performed is intransitive verb. Okay, well you know subject complement. Okay, well subject complement SC. Okay, then next, they named their son Steve. You know here named transitive verb. Their son you know this is object, and Steve you know object complement. Okay, here Steve is object complement OBC. Then next, we left the parcel untouched. So you know here left is a transitive verb because there is an object, the parcel direct object, and untouched you know object complement. Okay, untouched you know OBC object complement. Rakesh's success in the final examination earned him a prize. So there is only okay verb earned. Then next, a long walk up the hill made us tired. Okay, so you know here made us tired. So you know made is a transitive verb, us you know object. Okay, tired you know object complement. Here tired tell about more about us. So here tired will be object complement OBC. Okay, tired. Clear? Then next here, this storybook is interesting. So you know here is a linking verb. Okay, and interesting you know subject complement that tells about more about this storybook. Okay, storybook. So here interesting is subject complement. Clear? Then next, the class considers him intelligent. Okay, so you know considers is transitive verb because there is an object him, and intelligent will be okay object complement. That's a tell more about him. Okay, then next, will you do me a favor? So you know here will and do okay verb transitive verb, and me you know object. Okay, me and favor both are objects. John is a good athlete. So you know here is a linking verb, and good athlete here this is you know subject complement because it tells more about John, about the subject. So here good athlete will be okay subject complement. Then next, the teacher handed us the answer sheet. So you know handed is okay transitive verb, and us you know indirect object, and answer sheet you know direct object. Clear? Then next here, circle the direct objects and underline the indirect object in these sentences. The president awarded Amitabh Bachchan the Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so you know Amitabh Bachchan is indirect object, and direct object you know the Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so if you know if there are two objects in the sentence, okay, living object will be considered as indirect object. Okay, living things will be considered as okay indirect object, and things will be considered as direct object. Clear? So here Amitabh Bachchan is indirect object and Padma Vibhushan is direct object. My sister told me an extremely funny joke. So you know here me is a person. Okay, so it is indirect object, and an extremely funny joke this is direct object. So you have to circle the direct object. Okay, an extremely funny joke is direct object, and me indirect object. I promised my friends ice cream. So you know my friends is indirect object. Okay, and ice cream is direct object. Jiten distributed sweets to all his classmates. So you know sweet is direct object, all his friends, all his classmates. Okay, indirect objects. Object. The waitress got all of us iced tea. So you know iced tea is direct object, all of us, you know this is indirect object. I don't give my painting. I don't give my painting to anybody. So my painting, you know direct object, anybody, you know indirect object. She ordered a dozen books for herself. So you know a dozen books, this is direct object. Herself, you know this is indirect object. I bought Jonathan a birthday gift. Okay, so Jonathan, you know indirect object, a birthday gift, you know direct object. Then next the student sent the teacher an email. So you know here the teacher is indirect object, an email is direct object. Kiran made Susan. So you know Susan is okay indirect object and a paper boat is direct object. Clear? Then next here let's write answer these questions, then list the transitive and intransitive verbs used in the answers. Identify the object of the transitive verbs and the complement of the intransitive verb. Okay, so you have to do it yourself. So here I have made the answer. Okay, so here the answer. Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.